Today, I would like to take you through the platform Team IT Suite, how you can get started. Firstly, you need to register your organization. And after you register your organization by filling in the details, you need to log into your admin dashboard. This is where you get to structure your organization and track every possible statistics. Gives you insight of your organization performance in real time. Now, to get started with your organization, you need to structure it. So you head to the organization tab. That is where you can create your branch and create departments under this branch, because when assigning users, you need to assign them either to branches or departments. So you can create your branch and create your department under the branches, which will leave you in a structure like this, with each branch having departments under it. Tells you how many employees, how many departments are under this branch, and every statistics. Now, to get started adding users into these departments and branches, you need to head into the team directory where you can add a user. Now, when you click on add user, you can fill in their credentials like their name, their email address, their password, job title, role, also the branch they belong, and department. The role can either be an employee, a branch manager, or a coordinator. A branch manager heads a branch, a coordinator heads a department. Now, after creating your user, if you want to assign tasks to this user, you need to head on to the tasks tab where you can create a task. Now, this smart task creator helps suggest to you what time is suitable, for assigning task, and who is the suitable candidate for such tasks based on their time, availability, and expertise. You can assign operational tasks or sales tasks. These sales tasks are tasks which has to do with financial targets, while operational tasks don't have any financial target to meet. After assigning tasks, you can be able to follow up, meaning the users will receive notifications and they can complete the tasks, where you can be able to rate the tasks after they complete. After you check their tasks or work done, you can rate it and leave your comment there. This platform also has built-in messaging for in-app communication, where you can communicate with your team members. We also have groups messaging. You can choose to download the entire reports within a branch, within the general organization, or an employee's personal report. This is where in the manager evaluation, you can evaluate the managers, be it the coordinators or the branch managers. You can evaluate them based on the performance of their departments and their branches. We also have the analytics section where you can be able to see detailed analytics within your organization, how each branch is performing, how each user is performing over time. We have the task distribution. Here we have the abnormally, which employee needs help, what you can be able to do, what other suggestions. Have the silence performance, which helps you to see those who are really doing well but not getting enough shout out. Also, we have the behavior analysis, which tells you detailedly about employees' behaviors over time and their reactions to details. We have the pulse survey, which lets you send survey to your team members. If you need a particular information or within your organization, you can choose to do that using the survey. In the organization settings, you can set up the organization, whereas you can choose your team color, your organization team color, and the logo. This will also appear in your report document. So have the gamification, which comprises of several features. Here in the gamification, your employees can take on challenges and finish. They will get to unlock amazing rewards. They can also play games during their free time. Have the currency switcher. If in case you're not comfortable using the dollar currency, you can. We have the light mode and dark mode. Also, we have the calendar and meeting functionality, where you can schedule your meeting. have the marketplace where you can install additional add-ons to help extend the functionality within your enterprise. We as well have the smart insight and suggestions, which helps to tell you or your employees what is lacking within your organization or within their panel, and it gives them